the channel. If you don't know me, I'm srtcyrus. Today we're just going to change the oil in the Kubota tractor. Pretty simple video. So now let's get to it. So to do this, pretty easy. Is a socket set, a breaker bar, the oil that they recommend, which is whatever, you know, oil filter and a breaker bar, and this big ass funnel. So now let's get to it and start. So the oil drain plug is right here, and it is a, I think it was a 21 millimeter or 7/16. And you need to have a breaker bar to get these because these are pretty tight. So yeah, I'm gonna get that on now and take it off. As always, make sure you have a drain pan right there. So yeah, slide it underneath here and start draining. So I'm gonna get going to that now, and I'll talk to you once it's drained. Have eye protection when you do this, because you know it's not a very good idea not to, just in case the oil squirts or something. And you're gonna have to let this sit and drain for about 30 minutes. The shit's pretty a lot of oil. I mean, it's probably all of 4 gallons. So now it's gonna start draining a little oil. And we'll see if that was enough loose to have it drain out. Make sure you have the catch pan ready, because it's gonna start draining pretty quickly. And I don't want to get oil all over, so I'm just gonna keep hitting this with the impact, or with the breaker bar, and then it'll start draining. So the oil's changed, it's draining. Now you're gonna want to let this sit and drain for a while. So I would get up and leave it, and make sure you keep these drain plugs protected. You don't want to lose them. And you just want to let this sit, this drain, and then we will talk to you once it's done draining, because it's fucking boring. So I'll talk to you later. So it's been about 5 minutes, and we're almost done draining. We're just gonna let it drain out until there's not drips anymore, and then we will start taking off the oil filter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this oil filter, and we're gonna date mark it. Today's date is the 9th of April, so we're gonna put 4/9/25. So basically what you do is you open this up. They wrap these up with a shit, and I wonder where I get these. These aren't just AutoZone filters you can get anywhere. I had to go to the actual Kubota dealer to get these this morning. Open it up, and then so we're gonna take it, and we want to mark it somewhere where we can see it. So I like to mark them either down here or on the front here. For this, I'm gonna mark it right here. So today's 4/9/25. So now I have a smaller drain plug here, but I'm gonna use this oil filter wrench to get the oil filter off. So you just want to clamp these on here. These are nice and behind them. And you just turn it, and it comes off like a wrench. And once it's off enough, turn it, and there's gonna be some oil draining out. It's a little windy, so prepare to get oil on yourself. And there it is, it's coming out, and you can clean the surface. I'm not going to. I don't really care. But yeah. Then put the new surface, or clean up the surface. Then tighten the new oil filter on. I would fill up the oil filter, but these are mounted sideways, so you really can't. You can fill them up a little bit. I might do that, maybe not. If it was a car, I'd fill it up. But with this, is a tractor. Well, pumps work different and everything, so I would not fill the oil filter up in this, but a car is completely different. You want to fill up the car's oil filter, because you don't want the car running dry for long. These are different. And I'm sure this has been ran dry many times. So, and it's only for maybe 25 seconds at best. That'd be a long time. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this drain out, clean this up with some wipes from it, and then I'll show you how to tighten the other one on. Tighten these because you'll crack the filter. So I'm just gonna turn it and turn it and turn it until what I feel like's good, and then I'm just gonna take my glove off because I don't want to not get it tight enough. It is extremely windy out, guys. And I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna tighten it. You can tell it is tight enough. It does not move anymore. And these might leak a little bit if you see it seeping out. You just gotta hit it with a little bit more hand strength. So now that's it for that. So now I'm gonna go fill up the oil, and that's gonna be fun because it's windy outside. So now we are gonna fill it up. So basically, I filled up the oil with and it's all good now. That's how you change the oil on the Kubota tractor. I know it's just kind of a boring video, but that was just something to talk about. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay safe out there, and goodbye. Stay safe.